Okay class. Today we are going to go over the social studies test.
Excuse me, Mr. Ramirez? Can I please use the restroom?
Sure. But hurry back in 5 minutes. I got a class to teach.
Okay, Mr. Ramirez. I am going to knock down those vending machines. Ha 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 ha. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines.
Hey, what the heck did you just do?
Oh.
Did you just knock down those vending machines?
Yes. I did knock down those vending machines.
That's it. I'm telling the principal about what you did.
No, 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 no.
Oh my God. Brian. How dare you knock down those vending machines? Now we have to put them back where they belong. Also, knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You are suspended for a week. Go home right now.
Brian. I cannot believe you knocked down 2 vending machines. You know doing that can cause damage. That's it. You are grounded for a week.
Go to your room right now.
Wow.